to the channel. Welcome to another vlog. In this video I'll show you the modifications what I have done on my classic 350 Bullet. So here is the Bullet. Let's see what are all the things I have done. So here is the Bullet, classic 350 BS6 Gunmetal grey. So today I'll just show you the modifications what I have done on this Bullet. The first thing was what I did was the backrest, Pillion backrest. So there are many options available for Bullet. I mean, classic 350 is obviously being very old. There are so many aftermarket accessories for Royal Enfield Bullets. So this was the first thing which I installed. This is actually pretty good. I mean, the product name is Quality. I got it in authorized Bullet service center only in Mysore. So I think the cost was around 1800. You can see here the quality is very good, and even the seat quality, that is also very comfortable. I have also tested as a Pillion when my dad was riding this Bullet. As a Pillion, I have checked, it is very much comfortable. Well, the second thing what I got on this Bullet is fog lamp auxiliary light. So for namesake, it is from HJG, but it is not original HJG because it's only 600 per light. That means 1200 for pair. This is not original HJG. This is actually 12 LED light, 18 watt consumption, power consumption. So I actually plan to mount it on fork, but clamps were not available, so I just got it drilled here. There is one hole here, and on the other side also I have got it drilled, and vertically the bolt connection is done. And what he has done is negative wire he has given to body directly here, and positive only he has connected to ignition. For that, again, extra switch is there. So if you see here, hold on, now that's yellow light. I'll show you night mode, night view. The next thing what I did was the hazard light, the parking light. I mean, you are aware about that. One extra switch for the indicators, for all the indicators to glow together. This is pretty much helpful during fog or very heavy rain. So this is very much helpful. I don't want to go for any LED stuffs, I mean LED indicators, so I will stay back with the stock. But one extra light, I mean extra switch is installed. And fog lamp will be enough, because this fog lamp has white light, yellow light, and blinking is not actually necessary. White and yellow are sufficient. So this has white, yellow, and blinking white and yellow together, which is not really required, but this light has 3 modes. And yes, I forgot one thing, that was extra horn which I bought from Bosch. This is the stock horn, if you can see here. Normal light, parking light, and that is HJG auxiliary light. There are 3 modes in this. Again, off, on, that is yellow light, then again off, on, that is blinking, yellow plus white, again off, on, it will be white. So it's mounted on engine crash guard here. Yellow light